This is Jett. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The block's generated. Selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The block's body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the block's complete 12-character set now.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the show. In this episode, we are animating the Jett rig. As usual, the Jordan idol is loaded up, and the very first thing we're going to start doing is, you guessed it, reposing. So I'm thinking Jett's a little kid, and when you're a little kid, you often get into trouble. So let's create a pose that captures this idea. All right, continuing on to further develop this idea, let's refine his pose by crossing his arms. Now, this body language is universally understood as a symbol of frustration or distress. So with his arms crossed, we are effectively conveying that Jett is upset, or at least he did something wrong. Now, we're still not done with the posing, but we are on the right track. All right, let's continue on with the arms. This time, I'm going to split up the performance into two parts. For the first part, Jett's upset, so we're going to keep his arms crossed for that part of the animation. For the second part, when he shifts his weight, we'll have him open up his arms as if he's trying to say, come on, it's not me, I didn't do it. Or he's trying to shift the blame onto his other siblings. Kind of sounds like me when I was a kid. All right, jumping into polish pass. Man, this stuff goes by pretty quick. So let's start by tweaking our torso, adding in a little bit of a squash and stretch. It's definitely going to liven up the upper body. We'll move up to the head. I'm going to layer in a little more detail to make it more expressive and vibrant. I'm also going to exaggerate it just a tiny bit so that we can get a good read on Jett's emotions. All right, now let's shift the focus onto the hands. Now, our goal is to get the hands to feel alive. However, you gotta be cautious not to over-animate them. So to strike the right balance, we're gonna utilize the existing body timing, which is working pretty good. When his arms are by his side, we're gonna keep both hands slightly open. And when his arms are crossed, we'll have both hands gradually closed into fists. Continuing on with the hands, we're going to incorporate some micro rotations or micro motions. They both mean the same thing. Now, the concept here is that every part of the body is constantly in motion and never remains static. So by adding these subtle micro rotations, we're bringing the animation to life and avoiding a stiff appearance. Now, it's small details like these that breathe life into the performance and make it more dynamic. Final touch-ups on the head controller to really help sell this performance. You know, it's always a little trickier when you don't have facial expressions to help you out, but that's okay because I always welcome a good challenge. And on that, the magical transformation from a Jordan idol into a brand new idol is now complete. Jett's performance feels fun and lively. He's upset with his parents and he's trying to shift the blame onto his siblings. Gotta love this kid. 8 idols completed, 4 more to go as we continue this series, reusing Jordan's idol and transforming it into brand new idols. If you're enjoying the content on my channel and you want to show your love and support, you can share this video on your social media. You can give it a thumbs up and leave a comment right below. Your support and engagement really makes a huge difference. Lastly, the blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. They are excellent rigs for helping you improve your body mechanic skills. Simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. You can visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the block's complete 12-character set. My name is Jonathan Abinheim. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.